And I appreciate them and love them so much. I will miss them when I leave. So I will say, my name is Patrick Venn. I come from Liberia. Specifically, I live in Monrovia City. And I came down with this severe pain in my legs since 3 years ago. I've been feeling this pain, I've been limping and holding things to walk. And sometimes it makes it so difficult for me to even visit family members or to even attend to my own personal business. So it has been so difficult, I have been so tied down in life. I mean, everything has just been cut off from me. But I thank God that I was able to get to this connection that led me today to come in India, which is the Satyug medical care, which is a medical assistant company. They also linked me through the BLK that they arranged my medical trip from Liberia to India in order to seek medical advice. It was done through them. And then equally so, I met Dr. Bohra, who embraced me a lot and then explained to me how they since treat people, how long it been on me. He was able to talk with me, and then I was so satisfied that I came down because they didn't put a lot of worry on me. Immediately when I heard about the surgery, I didn't know how it was going to be done. I didn't know where they were going to start from. So I was so worried, very, very worried. So at the time, my pressure kept going high and higher and higher. The pressure went even up to 210. Yeah, so I was so thinking on that. The walking could give me the pain. They think that pain. You feel the pain from here through the joint all coming down here. You had to walk to balance. You can't make it. You can't even to take bath, to waste water on your skin. It had not been easy. I would sit on something, at least put the towel in something, or take the dipper and begin to dip the water. But since my arrival in India, underwent the surgery, which Dr. Bohra and his team were able to do, the reconstruction of the left hip, and also to replace the hip in the left section, and then the right were also done. Through that, my pain have really subsided. It is not like before. So I've been going through my physical therapy, taking my exercise right after the surgery. I spent a day in the ICU. From the ICU, they were observing me to see how well I was doing before they could release me. So after all of that, I didn't stop there. They advised me to continue the exercise because that would enable me to be able to move. So by that, every morning, every evening, I was doing the exercise from my ankle, my knee, all the way and into the top, and then with some walking. So at that time, I wasn't walking, but for now, I can at least walk. Because before, I couldn't walk. For now, at least I am walking without that pain going through me. So now I'm so glad and thankful to this family for hosting me here. And then took good care of me, the staff. You know how to take care of the patient. We always talk with the patient to find out how the patient is doing, which part of your body hurting you, since the surgery, how are you feeling, then you give your feedback. Once you give your feedback, they will be able to advise you adequately and what you should do, whether you should be on this medication, how long it should be, they will tell you everything. So I'm so happy for Dr. Bohra and his team for the safe surgery that they conducted on me. I thank the BLK staff also, and then the Satyug care assistance program who sponsored my trip from Liberia to India and did everything for me that I have to go through this surgery. I thank the family ever so much. I appreciate them. I love them so much. We have become one family. I thank you ever so much.
Okay, I am Dr. Ishwar Bohra, Associate Director here, Joint Replacement and Sports Medicine Division of Orthopedic in BLK-MAX Hospital, New Delhi. So he is Mr. Patrick Venn. He is from Liberia. He contacted me through the Satyug healthcare company, which is giving the medical assistance to all the international patients. And really, Patrick was having a lot of trouble in the both hips, and he was barely able to walk, and day-to-day life is compromised, and his business and day-to-day activity was suffering, and a lot of pain was having the main issue. So he was able to barely walk in the ground, and difficult to visit his even home family member, and like kind of even just a severe problem, I can say it is a stage 4 hip arthritis. So he met me, and I examined him, and I diagnosed that it is a severe arthritis. On left side there was a much problem in the right side. Left side was there a sternal defect, which we reconstructed, and we have done his both hip replacement in stage surgery. We have done first on the left side, then right side, and he is very lucky, and with our effort of the Satyug Healthcare and BLK-MAX team, he is happy. His surgery is very successful, and I wish him all the best, so he can join his day-to-day activity and his business, and he will be again productive like before. Thank you, Patrick, for connecting us, and I would like to say thank you about Satyug Healthcare. Satyug Healthcare is eminent company in the medical tourism, which cares their patient like their family, and they remain till they get the discharge and reaches home, and even after reaching their own country, they take care with the feedback and follow up. Thank you very much.